Every single day, every human being on this planet receives the same gift: 24 hours. Whether someone becomes successful, powerful, fulfilled, or remains stuck and frustrated depends on how they use those same 24 hours. Tony Robbins often says, "It's not time that makes the difference, it's decisions." Time is equal, but decisions are not. Most people wake up and immediately fall into reaction mode. They grab their phones, scroll aimlessly, check messages, and let the world dictate their emotional state. But successful people, high performers, do something different. They live intentionally. Before you can manage your time, you must learn to manage your mind. Because if your mind is messy, your schedule will be messy. If your emotions are scattered, your day will be scattered. And if your intentions are unclear, your results will always be unclear. The first step to mastering your 24 hours is mastering how you start your day. Tony Robbins teaches that the first hour after waking up is the most influential part of your entire day. It is the hour that builds your momentum, your clarity, and your energy. So instead of checking your phone, start with a powerful morning ritual. 10 minutes of deep breathing to energize your body, 10 minutes of gratitude. To shift your focus to abundance, 10 minutes of visualization. Imagine the life you want, 10 minutes of stretching or movement. Awaken your physical energy, 20 minutes of learning or planning. Set your direction for the day. This one single hour can transform the next 23, because success isn't built in one dramatic moment. It's built through consistent, small habits, repeated day after day. But intentional living isn't only about a morning routine. It's about making conscious decisions throughout your entire day. Before taking any action, ask yourself 3 powerful questions. Is this helping me move closer to my goals? Does this align with the person I want to become? Will this give me energy or drain it? Most people don't struggle because they lack time. They struggle because they lack clarity. They waste their hours on low-value tasks, emotional distractions, and pointless activities. Tony Robbins points out that energy management is more important than time management. Because if your energy is low, even 24 hours won't be enough. But if your energy is high, you can accomplish more in one focused hour than most people do in an entire day. So remember this: a successful life is built from successful days. Successful days are built from intentional decisions. And intentional decisions come from a powerful mindset. When you learn to live with intention, not by accident, not by habit, not by reaction, your 24 hours become a tool for success, not a burden. Your time becomes your ally, not your enemy. This is the foundation of mastering your day and mastering your life. In today's world, your biggest enemy is not lack of talent, lack of education, or even lack of opportunity. Your real enemy is distraction. The modern world is designed to steal your attention. Notifications buzzing, messages popping, endless scrolling, constant noise. Tony Robbins says something powerful. Where focus goes, energy flows. But the truth is, most people never give themselves the chance to focus. If you want to master your 24 hours, you must first master the art of protecting your attention, because time is limited, but distraction is unlimited. 1. Digital discipline. Your phone is the #1 killer of productivity, not because it's evil, but because it is designed to demand your attention. Every ping, every alert, every vibration pulls your brain out of concentration. Research shows that after a single interruption, it can take up to 20 minutes for your mind to return to deep focus. So set simple rules. Turn off non-essential notifications. Keep your phone away during deep work. Allow yourself to check messages only at specific times. This alone can save hours of mental energy every day. 2. Chunking, the power strategy. Tony Robbins teaches a method called chunking, grouping similar tasks together. Instead of spreading your attention in different directions, combine. All emails in one block, all calls in one block, all creative work in one block. This reduces mental switching and increases speed. Chunking helps you work smarter, not harder. 3. The rule of 3. Most people create long to-do lists that never get done. High performers know that productivity comes from clarity, not quantity. Every morning, choose only 3 major tasks that truly matter. Not 10, not 20, just 3. Complete those 3 tasks, and your day becomes a win. Ignore them, and your day becomes noise. 4. Know your peak. Hours. Your energy is not the same all day. Some hours you feel sharp and creative. Other hours you feel slow or distracted. Identify your peak energy time, the time when your mind works best. Use those hours for your most important work. Use low-energy hours for simple tasks. This one shift can double your productivity. 5. Create a focus zone. Dedicate one place for work only. No entertainment, no chatting, no distractions. When you consistently work in a single environment, your brain begins to associate that space with focus and discipline. The moment you sit there, your mind automatically enters work mode. 6. Take strategic breaks. Work for 45 to 50 minutes, then rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This keeps your brain fresh and prevents burnout. Focus isn't built by working constantly. It's built by managing energy wisely. When you eliminate distractions, you unlock the true power of your 24 hours. Your mind becomes sharper. Your decisions become clearer. Your productivity multiplies. This is how you shift from reacting to creating, from being busy to being effective, from wasting time to mastering it. Once you build the right mindset and eliminate distractions, the next step is creating systems, the hidden architecture behind every successful life. Tony Robbins teaches that motivation might get you started, but systems keep you moving. Motivation is emotional. Systems are structural, and structure always wins. Most people drift through their day without direction. They wake up, react to whatever comes their way, and end the day wondering where their time went. But high performers do not live like that. They design their day with intention. They build a routine that supports their goals, not their impulses. 1. The night before planning ritual. Great days don't start in the morning. They start the night before. Before going to bed, spend just 10 minutes reviewing tomorrow. Write down your top 3 priorities. A realistic schedule, possible obstacles and their solutions. This simple act gives your brain clarity. When you wake up, you already know what matters. Your mind begins the day with direction, not confusion. 2. Time blocking. Control the flow of your day. Time blocking is one of the most powerful productivity strategies. Instead of letting tasks randomly appear throughout the day, you assign each task a specific block of time. For example, deep work block, creating, thinking, planning, admin, block, emails, messages, small tasks, learning, block, reading, courses, skill building, family time, block, connection and relationships, rest block, recovery and reflection. When your day has clear boundaries, distractions naturally shrink. You become more intentional with your energy and less reactive to the world. 3. The 80-20 rule. Do what matters most. Tony Robbins frequently talks about the Pareto principle, the idea that 20% of your actions create 80% of your results. So instead of trying to do everything, focus on identifying your big 20% tasks, the tasks that move your career forward, the habits that improve your health, the conversations that impact your relationships, the learning that elevates your future. When you prioritize the right actions, your results accelerate. You accomplish more by doing less. 4. Weekly review, the success audit. Once a week, ideally on Sunday, take 15 to 20 minutes to reflect. Ask yourself, what did I achieve this week? What slowed me down? Where did I waste time? What will I improve next week? This habit keeps you honest. It strengthens self-awareness. It transforms your life through small, consistent adjustments. 5. Build momentum, not perfection. People fail not because they lack ability, but because they try to be perfect. Success isn't about perfection. It's about momentum. Tony Robbins teaches that the smallest action, done consistently, creates unstoppable progress. Write 1 paragraph. Do 5 push-ups. Learn for 5 minutes. Take 1 step. Momentum compounds. And once momentum starts, it becomes very hard to stop. The foundation of high performance is simple. Don't rely on motivation. Build systems. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create structure. Don't hope for success. Plan for it. This is how you take control of your 24 hours and your life. If systems give you structure, then habits give you power. Your habits shape your identity, your energy, your decisions, and ultimately your destiny. Tony Robbins teaches that success is never an accident. It is the direct result of the rituals you repeat every single day. Your life changes the moment your habits change. But these aren't just ordinary habits. High performers follow habits that align with the life they want to create. Because you can't expect a high-performance life with low-performance routines. Let's dive into the habits that transform your 24 hours into a long-term success engine. 1. Build physical energy. First, your body is the foundation of your productivity. If your body is tired, your mind becomes slow. If your energy is low, your decisions become weak. So start with simple, powerful physical habits. Drink enough water. Stretch or move for at least 10 minutes. Eat clean, energizing food. Walk more. Get fresh air. Tony Robbins always says, emotion is created by motion. When you move your body, you change your state. When you change your state, you change your day. 2. Strengthen emotional fitness. Success isn't just about working hard. It's about staying emotionally strong. Emotionally fit people. Don't let small problems ruin their day. Don't waste time on negativity. Don't get stuck in complaining. Practice gratitude. Focus on solutions, not excuses. Your emotional habits decide how you handle stress, challenges, and setbacks. When your emotions are strong, you stay consistent, and consistency leads to success. 3. Become a lifelong learner. Leaders are always learners. The more you grow, the more your life grows. Spend at least 20 minutes every day learning something new. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch educational videos, take online courses. Knowledge compounds. A small improvement daily becomes a massive transformation over time. 4. Set boundaries to protect your time. Your time is your most valuable resource. If you don't protect it, the world will consume it. Learn to say no to energy-draining people, unnecessary tasks, pointless online scrolling, time-wasting habits. Protect your energy like a treasure, because it is. 5. Design a supportive environment. Your environment either pushes you forward or pulls you backward. A clean, organized workspace increases clarity. A messy, chaotic environment slows your mind. Set up your surroundings to support your best self, not your lazy self. 6. Sleep, the secret weapon. High performance is impossible without proper rest. Your brain needs 7 to 8 hours to think clearly, create deeply, and operate at its best. Good sleep equals better decisions, Better decisions equals better results. 7. Identity. Become the person who deserves success. This is the deepest principle of all. Your identity creates your habits, and your habits create your results. If you want a new life, you must adopt a new identity. Tell yourself, I am disciplined. I am focused. I use my time wisely. I am becoming the best version of myself. When your identity rises, your habits rise. When your habits rise, your life rises. Success is not a mystery. It is not luck. It is the outcome of the systems you follow and the habits you repeat daily. Align your lifestyle with the life you want, and your 24 hours will start working for you, not against you.